Is on recording. All right, we on YouTube. What's up? What's going on? Yo, reading Twitch chat as well. I have been playing a couple years, but I should be more active to get close to the level. Play relatively. Yeah, you have to play and also study. It's very important to study as well. Playing and study. So, guys, I dropped this for you. The Chess IQ Academy is live with the Kylo strike. Everybody breathe. Now, it's available obviously here. It's so much work we put into this in the last few months here. Lots of beta testing. We have students now that are in it, and it's really a system of just attacking chess. So I'm going to show you guys as we scroll down here. It talks about the opening system, obviously, stuff like this. But what I really want to show you is what comes in here, right? So this is like the picture. This is my favorite picture because there's so much in here. So I have my Kylo strike opening system basically with white and black. So it's talking about obviously what you guys are going to be playing with the white and black pieces very aggressively. Also, my top 5 favorite attacking games. So you get to get into the mind of kind of how I'm thinking in my games. These are all OTB games. Even the one where I beat my first GM, OTB. Calculation training books in order. We got a community. In-game drills live. And also booking, breaking down this game with a special tool. So basically all your games, stuff like that. So it's pretty fire. $27. Shout out to the marketing team. On the back end, we was able to do this and bring it to you guys. So lots of video in here. It is fire. So, and then we give you a 30-day money back guarantee as well. So as you see, this is a bigger picture of it. All right, Kylo opening system. I spent a lot of time working through these guys. So it's really just me talking to you in positions, giving PGN files too as well. I also have questions you may have. You can always ask me, but especially in the live streams too. But this is a really well put together system that I have for you guys. I'm going to play it with white and black. I kind of already do. So I'm just giving that out in a way. You can see what I play and how I play in an aggressive way, how to stay aggressive. Books I actually recommend. For instance, these books right here, calculation training books in order of what you should go through. So calculation is very important in chess, as we all know. And one of my strong suits is calculation and tactics. So we go through that in order too as well. So you see all of this stuff here. Make sure you guys click the link and enjoy the course. Enjoy the course.